Today I'm going to show you how to make pecan pie brownies. This is a gooey brownie with a pecan pie mixture on top. You can find the recipe on my site at crazyforcrust.com. You start with a brownie mix. Any brownie mix is fine. Add the oil, water, and eggs that are called for on the box. Stir that together. Use the recipe on the box mix that you're using for a 9x13 size pan. Mix that together. And then you're going to add it to a 9x13 pan. I like to add foil to mine and spray it with cooking spray to prevent sticking and for easy removal. Set that aside and place some melted butter in a bowl. Add brown sugar, flour, an egg, vanilla. Stir it together. And then add chopped pecans. Then you're going to spread that pecan pie mixture on top of the brownie mix in your pan. Try to drop it evenly and then use your spatula to spread it out. Bake at 350 until the brownies are done. It'll be gooey in the center and down around the edges. Let it cool completely before you try and slice it. And then you have delicious pecan pie brownies, which are perfect for any holiday. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and eat something sweet.